You want to see guys get their sack and crack waxed? Me too. Found a little gem I just have to share with you guys on YouTube. It has everything on there. Guys getting their crack and sack waxed. It's not something I'd actually consider doing myself. I'm not interested in that kind of pain. So let's see what these poor bastards are doing to themselves and have a bit of a laugh at their expense.
What part am I least looking forward to it? All of it. Yeah, I'm
Thanks,
genuinely
guys.
getting my testicles waxed, so...
Hope this doesn't make me cry.
Yeah, I'm terrified. I'm really terrified.
I'm terrified for you.
It's no problem, I've done nothing yet.
It's literally going to be all of my hair being ripped out of my skin, along with a layer of skin. Oh, I can't. Oh my god.
Oh, why?
Oh no.
How do you feel?
Vulnerable.
Wait, are you started? What are you doing?
I'll start when you want me to.
Okay.
Oh my god,
What
why
is
would you
it's
do
not
this?
wax? Okay. I mean, what else would it be?
Oh! Is that it? No. Okay.
Are you just doing the whole arse in one go? Oh my god.
I mean, the heat itself. Ah!
It's so quick.
Oh,
Am I bleeding?
That's my hip. Backsack crack hip.
Just relax your backside, okay? Oh, I've heard that before.
I feel like someone's dismantling a wardrobe. Like, that's the ferocity that I'm being attended to with.
It feels like there's 1,000 needles in my arse.
No, have you ever been robbed before and you know it's gonna happen, but it just happens and you're like, this wasn't part of the script.
Okay, so I need you to find a position for me.
What's that? Oh no, this is the one.
Oh.
That's it. And this one.
This is how it starts.
What's the thing?
Oh my god, dead in prison.
Okay, this is a lot burnier.
That's a heat I've never felt there.
Really, that is too deep, you know? Really?
Oh!
Okay, my oh! Just made a new one.
why? Why?
Yeah, great. I think I'm on holiday.
My mom raised me better than this.
Around there, please.
Oh, here we go.
I feel like I'm about
Oh, they're
to
not
give birth,
done.
Like, I'm gonna throw my legs up on stirrups.
This is much hotter than the other one.
Oh, don't say that.
Oh, that is hot.
Oh, you're not wrong. You are not wrong.
Oh yeah, lash more on, why don't you?
I don't want to do this no more. I don't no, it doesn't have to come off. It doesn't listen, it's okay, it will come up at his own time.
Was. Oh, it easily was the worst.
Oh my god. Mazel tov.
That was the worst one yet.
This is a lot sore.
Oh.
Sorry, I'm so sorry if I flail there, but
I do now all I feel is like I feel like calmer and I feel like in one with the world, you know?
Oh my
am
god.
I going to be a better swimmer now?
Yeah, I feel a lot lightheaded.
I feel numb. I feel numb and like gooey.
Yeah, I didn't expect there to be positions, put it like that. I didn't expect myself to be up on all fours. And like, whiten your legs there. Hold your arse cheek open, please. I was like,
Oh,
yeah, that's the
jeez.
part I was like, okay, wasn't ready for that.
I'm just holding my beard, just really appreciating that it's still there.
Oh wow. I love these guys. Honestly. These Irishmen and women, part of the Facts team.
Can you move
If
my
you've not-
balls to the side? Like you move it to the left. Like just move it to the like no.
I'm going to leave a link to their channel down below. I highly recommend you check out that channel. They do such amazing stuff. They're trying all sorts of horrible foods and drinks and they're putting themselves on the line for our entertainment, guys. Visit their site and check them out. That looked painful as hell. Just no. I know some people actually do this as a cosmetic choice, like a lifestyle choice. They like, I know the ladies, some ladies do this, and they're probably looking at these fellas just shaking their head going, you know, wimps. but it's not something most guys usually do. I don't know what your lifestyle choices are. I don't know why you potentially want to do this to yourself. For me, just no. Anyway, guys, thanks for checking into my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, throw me a thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.